Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be see another one Apex class trigger scenario in Salesforce. The scenario is when an account record is created, then create a related opportunity record automatically in Salesforce. So follow these steps to create new Apex trigger in Salesforce. First, log in your Salesforce developer or then open developer console and create an Apex trigger file on account. Then create trigger handler class. Here we will be creating an opportunity record related to an account when account record is created in Salesforce. This is a screenshot to create account record in Salesforce. So this is the object name. This is a new button to create new record of account. This is a screenshot to create related opportunity of account in Salesforce. So newly created opportunity record will be displayed inside the related tab. So in this account, there are two related opportunity have. So there are two record here displayed. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see random example how to create related opportunity of account through the class trigger in Salesforce. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. Simply go to the setup, open developer console from here. I already opened my developer console. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to create contact related account through Apex trigger in Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be see how to create related opportunity of account through Apex Plus trigger. So friends, if you go to the account trigger handler, this is my previous code. Let me remove the code and create new method. So here I am writing the method for the related opportunity record, public, static, void, related, OPP, account. Public static void, name of the method, related OPP account, bracket and curly bracket. Inside the bracket, I am passing list of the account, ACC list. Then here I will be applying for loop, account, ACC column, pass account list. This is a parameter that is a whole list of account record. Copy and pass here. So friends, if you creating a new opportunity, there are three fields are mandatory. Name, close date, and the stage name. If you go to the Salesforce, create a new opportunity from Salesforce, create new and save. Here you will be get, close date, opportunity name, and stage. There are three fields are mandatory. So in the backslash trigger, I will be pass three field value. So first write the instance of the opportunity OPP equal to new opportunity. Here I am passing the field name and value. OPP dot name equal to I will be assigned the name value of the account. So this is account dot name. Then another one field is stage name. OPP dot stage name equal to stage name. It is a picklist value. So I will be assigned that value that is provided by the Salesforce. If you go to the opportunity, open any of the opportunity, go to data, search stage name. This is a stage name field. This is a pick list value. If you go to the pick list value, then go all field metadata. Here you can find the stage name value. This is a stage name. This is a stage name value. So here I am using first prospecting, copy the value, go to developer console and pass single quote, pass the value. Here I am passing the prospecting because this is a picklist value that is provided by the Salesforce. If we are assigning another one value, that it will be throw an error. Then opportunity, after that I will be assigned close date. So close date, it is a date type value. So here will be assigned today date. So today date will be assigned system dot today. So OPP dot close date equal to, here I will be assigned the system dot today. So because this is a date type value, system dot today. So here I am assigning three field and value. Name will be coming from the account name. Then prospecting, this is a stage name. This is the, and then close date. This is a system dot today. That means if you are creating a record of account, this opportunity will be created automatically and close date will be assigned by today date. After that, I will create list of the opportunity where we will be add all of the value. Create list of opportunity, OPP OBJ list equal to new OP list of the opportunity and create the instance as a list of opportunity. Now I will be add all of the opportunity value inside the list. Copy the list of the opportunity dot add and assign this opportunity. After for loop, I will be check a condition. If this opportunity not empty, then we will be insert the record of opportunity. If not this opportunity list is empty, then here I will be insert a list of opportunity record. Insert this list of opportunity because I am assigning all of the value inside this list. Then save the file. So friends, here I am getting error, variable does not exist. Line number 12 and 13. Because this variable I created inside the loop. I need to create this list of opportunity outside of the loop. So cut from here and paste here outside the loop. Then save again. I have been saved successfully. So friends, first I created a opportunity, then I created a list of opportunity outside of loop, then list of opportunity, I added all of the value. After that I check list of opportunity not empty, then I am setting list of opportunity record. Now go to the Apex class trigger that is created in the previous lesson. So friends, here I am inserting related opportunity of account. If account is created, then related opportunity will be automatically created. So now I am removing the previous method. Now I am calling newly created method. So first I call the Apex class controller dot method. Method name is related OPP account. Then bracket and here I am passing list of account and this is a parameter. So instead of the list of account and parameter, we will be pass the trigger dot new. Trigger dot new. So trigger.new return list of current session of record ID. So it is a bulky file code. If you inserting one record, then it will be insert one record. If you inserting multiple record from data loader, so it will be insert multiple records. So it is a bulky file code. Trigger.new always return list of current session of record ID. Now let me save the file. File has been saved successfully. Now let me go to the account object and create new account. This is the account. Now I am creating a new account. Click on new button. Write the name of the account. Take W3 Wave 6. So here I am writing the name of the account. Take W3 Wave 6. Write the name of the phone. 777 9. And now I am leaving blank all of the fields. Now I am saving the record. One record has been saved successfully of account. Now go to the related list of the account. Here you will be get opportunity. So opportunity not created because I leave the account ID. If you go to the account trigger handler, here I am missing the account ID because opportunity has the account ID, that is a lookup field between opportunity and account. So here I need add account ID opp dot account ID equal to here I am passing the account ID acc dot ID. Now save the file. Now if account is created, then opportunity will be created automatically and newly created opportunity will be associated this account. That time I am forgetting to add account ID. So after creating a account, opportunity does not associated. Now let me create another one account once again. Open account tab, create new. Write the name of the account. Let me write the name of the account. Here I am writing the name. Take W3 7. Take W3 Wave 7 and I am leaving all of the field blank. Now save the record. Take W3 Wave 7 has been created account. Now to check the related list of opportunity, go to the related tab. Here you will be find related list of opportunity. So here you can see one record opportunity has been created successfully. If you go to the detail page opportunity, you will be find this account associated with this opportunity. Take W3 Wave and the close date automatically populated by today 7/12/2023 and stage name automatically populated prospecting. So if you go to the developer console, here I am assigning name of the account will be automatically populated to the opportunity name. Stage name will be prospecting and close date will be today date. Here I am assigning account ID. You will create account ID. If you creating new account, then related list of opportunity will be created automatically. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal or to create related opportunity on account through a quick trust trigger. If you getting anything of issue, please write in comment box. To find my channel on YouTube, simply search Take W3 Wave. And here you will be get my channel name Take W3 Wave. Click here and go to the videos. Here you will be get many more video like Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce, Lightning Flow Builder, Salesforce LWC. So here you will be get live demo real-time scenario that is working in Office. So you will be get very helpful in your project if you subscribe my channel. So please subscribe, share and support my channel. Thank you so much.